Heidi ho, have you ever tried pepperoni pizza on fried chicken? Well, today you will. Follow me and Krusty
Meow.
for some Kentucky Fried shenanigans. So I went opening day to KFC to try their new Chizza Chicken Pizza, which is pizza on fried chicken. Let's go in! Oh, what's this? Made the hard way, made by hand. Let's give it a try. I got up early and was the first one inside my KFC. Oh, I see the Chizza Chicken Pizza sign. I wonder how much this is. Here we go. The Chizza Chicken Pizza by itself is $9.99. Half is $5.99, and the combo with fries and medium drink is $12.99. Let's try the combo. This is new. Mountain Dew, Sweet Lightning. Let's give it a try. Nothing to see here, just walking to my table. So, I got all my grub, my Chizza Pizza, and my drink. And here are my fries. Put that back. Now for the moment of truth. So the Chizza Chicken Pizza combo consists of 2 whole, boneless breaded chicken breasts, pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, and pepperoni. The half Chizza is just 1 chicken breast. Now let's try this bad boy. This thing... Yummy! This was a good snack. The chicken breasts were thick, tender, moist, and crispy with a salty crust. The pizza sauce was basic and tasted like tomatoes. They should offer seasoning packets with Italian seasoning and garlic powder to spruce it up a bit. The cheese was light-tasting mozzarella that melted later, and the pepperoni wasn't too strong, but could be a little stronger. I like this. It was fun and unique. I would give this 8.5 stars out of 10. What do you think, Krusty?
Meow.
Now let's try the Sweet Lightning drink. Let's all say hi to Colonel Sanders.
Howdy, folks.
This is very, different than what I was thinking. It has a very strong bitter mandarin orange flavor with some sweetness. It's strong like floor cleaner. I'm sorry to say that this flavor is one exclusive that KFC should keep to themselves. 5 stars out of 10. Next, my fries.
It's finger licking good.
These fries had a crust on the outside of them that was crispy and salty while still being tender inside. This had a good fry flavor to it. I would give these 8.5 stars out of 10. Let me look at the sign one more time. Look at that pizza, Krusty.
Meow.
I tried some other fast food from restaurants in Disney World and Universal Studios, so watch those and let me know what you think. Hit that like and subscribe button for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.